Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm taking my Dremel with a wire wheel and I'm just cleaning off the valves real quick. Then I actually take some compound and take a valve and just clean the surface that they lay on. Then I'm probably going to clean out the ports too with the wire brush. Pretty much all I'm doing. I can even show you. Right there. I already started a little bit. But yeah. I'm pretty much doing all the ports on it, cleaning it, then I'm installing the valves and the springs. Then besides that, all I gotta do is slap it on there with the head bolts and timing. Then lay down some parts like the clutch to finally get back in the car. So I hope you enjoy. I'm pretty much doing a time lapse again, so hope you enjoy. Alright, so I cleaned all the surface off. I grinded the coolant passages, just clean up the casting so it flows a lot better. Besides that, I'm going to take some compound, put it on this. What I usually do, put this in one of my drills, tape at the end, tighten it. Usually do this. Then you just turn it on and I'll smooth those out. But you gotta put it in the head first and put the drill on the other side so you get it flush. So this next step, then at the end I just gotta clean the head off with some compressed air and stuff to clean out all this metal. Then put the head bolts in. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so these are valve seals. I'm gonna install them. These are already moved up with some WD-40. There's that. All you do is take one of these, get on here, one of these, put it on there, and press down on it until it clicks in. That's all I'm gonna do for the next part. I showed you that. I'm probably not gonna film it because it's been a lot of fucking Hey guys, so I'm taking the valve seal onto the valve runners right here. The valves come out. Take this and basically push it right down on. I'm not gonna film this or the whole process because it's been a lot of time things. So I'm just gonna get this done real quick. Or I'll probably get all the valves and springs on. Then I'll skip to putting the head on the motor. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, so hold on. Hi guys. So got the valves in. Gotta put the retainer clips after I put the springs on the valves. Then I'm gonna take this, I compress the spring, and just glide the keepers in there. It's kind of tricky with what was it? The tunnels for the spark plugs on this particular model. Um, the intake side's much easier. There's nothing in the way, but it takes about an hour, just about. Depends on how used you are to one of these, and I'm not. So I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, well, I got the rocker assembly on it after I did the springs and everything. So far, I'm pretty much almost done. I'm just adding the bolts. Hold the head down. Then I'm going to torque them to spec, pretty much. And I can clean the bottom of this and clean the top of the block and oil up the head bolts and crank down on it. So that's where I'm at so far. Almost done. Probably time lapse this. So see you in a minute. Alright, torque spec. On the 12 mil bolts on here, they are 19. And the ones on the end, they're 9 pounds. So, and then go ahead and set this and tighten them. nice and cleaned. Also, I got my motor all nice and clean. So then grab the head gasket, lay it on there, then put the head on there. I ain't gonna be able to film it. Maybe I will. Alright, I'll see you in 2 seconds. I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere and do this. Alright, let's install this. Down to sequence. I'll put a photo over this to show you the sequence and maybe the torque list. So you'll know how to do this. That's all of them. Torque wrench, extension, I need a 14. Alright, so on this block, you're going to torque all the bolts to 14. Second step is 36 torque pounds, then 49 on the third try. Then the 2 center bolts, you're going to unbolt, then retighten up to 49 feet-pounds. So, then go ahead and do that. It's in sequence, so you start from the middle and out. And I'll see you after the time lapse. Alright, got all the head bolts in. All of them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 on that side. That's all good. Tomorrow I get my gasket for the oil pan, so I can slap that on. I do have an issue. I do need a harmonic balancer because the little tooth on the inside here was chipped out. So that was the issue, I guess, from the last owner, because he couldn't get this running because he was driving, pop noise came, and it was harmonic balancer. So not too bad. Had to buy a head for it, but oh well. But there it is. The whole engine pretty much together. Probably gonna put the valve cover on it and gasket. Just get this all complete, And might do timing. Nah, I'll probably do timing tomorrow when I get the pan on. But besides that, that's all. I hope you enjoy. I'll take a photo of it when the valve cover's on it and everything to show you. And from there, see you in the next video.